around Red 6 before they split. This is the Vortex. His career started on the Tornado GR4 and then he moved to become a Hawk flying instructor at RAF Valley. Looking left and right again now for the synchro pair. They start to descend down to just 100 feet. They're going to perform the opposition barrel roll. The next call you'll hear is threshold from the pilots. That means they've reached a geographical point on the ground. The contract to continue the maneuver. Now look out to your left where you'll see Enid are being joined by Reds 8 and 9. In fact, Red 8 has been flying around at 600 miles an hour to join the rest of Enid, having just completed the Vortex.
Now.
The shape you're seeing now is Tango. Reds 2 and 3 have been Red 1. Reds 5, 4, 9 and 8. Form the stem. Just heard Red 1 call the boys into leader's benefit. Now Reds 4 and 8 go right, Reds 5 and 9 go left. And they're going to fly a beam of Red 1 now. When the formation is flown in the red arrows, the pilots aren't looking at the aircraft that is only 6 or 8 feet away from them. Everyone has their own reference on the leader's aircraft, and they just trust that the pilot next to them has his aircraft in the correct place. With the jets further forward in this shape, they get a better view of Red 1, hence this is called leader's benefit. Left and right again for the synchro pair, Red 6 left, Red 7 right, crossing 3 times at 6G in the carousel. Notice that the pilots are avoiding each other 3 times in this manoeuvre, pulling 6G, and at each of the crosses they have swapped their smoke colour using the individual colour control buttons on the aircraft's control column.